I don't know about you guys, but I love watching unboxing videos, so here is mine. As you can tell, it's a Van Cleef Arpels, but I'll show you what I got at the end. So this is what they give you with it. So this is a travel pouch, so handy for when you're traveling or just want to store your necklace. 2 little pouches to keep that all safe. Then they give you a little booklet, and this is literally a guide of how to keep your stone safe, clean, and protected. And in this little envelope, there's a black little pouch to clean your stone with. So let's take the ribbon off. Love the packaging and the colour, and here is what I got. I got the necklace in black onyx, probably the hard wearing stone that you could get, so you don't have to be overly precious about it. I love it. What do you think?